From London, the FTSE All-Share was trading slightly higher today as investors prepared for the all-important US inflation readings. Shareholders in the square mile borrowed sentiment from the Asia-Pacific region, where stocks were trading mostly higher after Singapore's economy grew 14.7% in the second quarter, better than official advanced estimates. Deliveroo has narrowed its pre-tax losses by almost a fifth to £104.8 million in the first half of the year, as revenues rose 82% to £922.5 million. The takeaway logistics firm has also doubled the number of orders to 148.8 million compared to the same period last year. The business has been boosted by more than 18 months of lockdowns in the UK. Bosses are sticking to guidance provided last month, expecting transaction values to grow between 50% and 60% this year. Early this week, Deliveroo's share price jumped 11%, following news that German rival delivery Hero had taken a 5% stake in the business. Struggling Hong Kong carrier Cathay Pacific has reported a $972 million net loss for the first 6 months of the year, as the pandemic continues to hammer demand for travel. While the figure is an improvement on the $1.3 billion loss suffered in the same period last year, the airline said the outlook remains uncertain due to ongoing struggles to contain the Delta variant of the coronavirus in the region. Cathay carried just 157,000 passengers at that period, 96% fewer than pre-pandemic levels. Shares rose 1.6% in the afternoon trade following the release of the earnings report. Hackers have stolen more than $600 million of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies in what has been described as the biggest theft ever of decentralized finance. Tens of thousands of people have been affected. Hackers are alleged to have exploited a vulnerability within Poly Network, a platform that connects different blockchains so they can work together. The group disclosed the attack on Twitter and asked to establish communication with the hackers, urging them to return the hacked assets. Digital currency crime is on the rise. Since the beginning of the year, they accounted for 54% of total crypto fraud volume. This compares to just 3% throughout 2020. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.